The array.map method creates a new array populated with the results of calling a provided function on every element in the calling array. Down below we have an array consisting of numbers 1, 4, 9, and 16. Now what we will do is we will create a new array of numbers, and each number will be multiplied by 2. So to achieve that, we will say const new array equals array.map, and we'll provide a callback function right here, and we'll say element for the current element that we are iterating over, and we will say element multiplied by 2. All right, I have a typo here, and now we will log this new array. So console log new array. First we will save the file, open the terminal, and we will use Node.js to execute this script. So I'm going to say node script.js. And now we will see that array, first number is 2 because 1 multiplied by 2 is 2, 4 multiplied by 2 is 8, 9 by 2 is 18, and 16 by 2 is 32. So I hope you learned how to use array.map method. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you are new here, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification icon so that you don't miss anything. Thank you so much for watching once again, and I'll see you again in the future.